kum kadak ban Rakhe ke Jingdap san po Snem jong ka Jylla Meghalaya badru ka jingyo anyo pusan Snem jong ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav minta ka sngi ka arpu atarik Rimphang ka Department jong ka Arts and Culture ka la Plie perda ya ka jingshna dor mural hakmat ka kerdop jong ka Soso Tham Auditorium ka Pyndep ban Thymmai shen bala Plie ru ya ka museum on wheels art ha Plie jong ka State Central Library Complex Shillong hakani ka sngi Ukonrat ke sangma ulawan long kumukong san ban Plie buram ringkat ke jingedon lang upreston tinsong but Minister ka Arts and Culture uba san bor shulai.
That explains the different aspects of this. Okay. We can have a small board. Here's there is a picture of exactly this on the board, and with the pointer, 1, 2, 3. There is a very memorable day.
Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya at 50 publication, The Hill State Movement in Meghalaya, a socio-historical narrative, Traditional Foods of the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo tribes of Meghalaya, Volume 1, Water Law and Belief System with reference to the Khasi and Jaintia tribal communities of Meghalaya, Indigenous musical instruments of the Jaintias of Meghalaya, a study of traditional technology with special reference to the iron smelting of the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya and the indigenous musical instruments of the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya.
Chief Minister of Government of Meghalaya, Shri Preston Tinsong, our Honorable Minister in Charge Art and Culture, Shri Sanbor Shulai, our Principal Secretary, Dr. Shakil Ahmed, our Commissioner Secretary, Frederick, who have really worked very hard to make this program a success, and all my other dear friends who have joined us today to be part of this very special program. And as you can see that there are primarily 3 parts to the program today. First was the unveiling of the mural and plaque that was there, and I must also join our Deputy Chief Minister and our Honorable Minister in Charge Art and Culture, who have praised and spoken about the mural and plaque that has been unveiled. And truly, it is something that is really depicting the different aspects of the flora and fauna of the state, depicting about the different cultural aspects. And it's not easy to do it in a small space like this. So it was really wonderful, and I take this opportunity to congratulate and thank Barafel, his entire team, and the Art and Culture Department that have made this possible. And I would like to add that it will be nice if the Deputy Commissioner and others could ensure that some kind of a protection barrier is there, because we are all concerned that it's right at the turning of the road, so there could be some incidents that we need to ensure that the entire piece of art that's there should be protected. And I'm sure that it will also become a location where people would like to click pictures. So we may want to just create some kind of a space for that. And also we'd like to have a small picture of that and explanation of what each aspect of the plaque in the monolith are identified. And I think it will be great for tourists to come in and see and read and understand what it's all about. Second, of course, was our museum on wheels. And of course, this is part of Meghalaya at 50 and India at 75. And this is really another way to connect to the grassroots and allow the people of different districts to be part of the celebration and feel the entire 50 years. And it's really been done well. And the different aspects in a small space, we've been able to add the history of our state and really showcase it to the rest of the state. And that's, I think, really a positive thing. And I must congratulate once again the entire team that has made this possible. My only suggestion for that would be that if you could have some kind of an ongoing commentary, which would then speak about the different aspects that are there, so people would enter and the voice recording would continuously tell the people about different aspects of it. I feel it gives a more lively feel to it, and also allows the people to listen and understand, and they would not have to always read through the whole writings that are out there. And third, of course, is this auditorium. From the day the India government had taken over, we used to come here and have different programs, and I must tell you today that I used to feel very embarrassed coming here. And every time I used to come in, I used to wait when will the program be over, because every time I looked on the side, there was something hanging, and I would see that the chairs are broken. We won't talk about who did it, but those kind of things were there. And this is really a piece of our history. And so many events have taken place here, and it really used to prick me whenever I used to come in here and feel really bad that this has been neglected. And today, really, I must congratulate Frederick and the entire team and our Honourable Minister, Art and Culture, for really taking the initiative and making this happen. We have limited scope to do on an existing space. There's limited scope to really improve things, but it has been tremendous, and I'm sure that we can all feel it also. You can feel the coldness, right? That's I think the air conditioning that's working. So all those kind of things are happening. So it's really great, and I must congratulate all the team members in the entire Department of Art and Culture and the individuals who were involved in making this happen. It's really great, and it's a matter of pride, I should say, because we used to have very important individuals coming in here. We used to have Government of India, central government ministers coming in, sometimes even ambassadors coming in. And I think it's a matter of pride for the state when we're able to provide world-class setups. And of course, we will try to keep improving on this. But I strongly feel that a lot of work has been done. So I once again congratulate. And this is something that we feel is required more and more. And I think all of you are aware that within a few months from now, I should say, within this 50 years of our statehood, so we will be inaugurating the 6-pack. We are in the final phase of putting up the sound system and the interiors, and which will be international level. And we will be having international performing arts programs going on there. And there are a large number of auditoriums, each one designed for different performing arts. So I think the 6-pack will be again another very important step towards performing arts and allowing the venues and space for our young artists to perform, but more importantly, allowing the space to be used for national and international events. So Shillong will become a very important place to host different kind of performing arts programs once we are done with the six-pack auditorium. And as I said, it's a full center, so there are multiple auditoriums out there, and I can assure you that this will be one of the best performing arts centers, if not in the whole country, at least in the entire North.
Magati kun kakam, magati wala